And that leads you to a central point, a combination of your passion, your mission, your profession, and vocation, which is an ikigai, or the reason for being.
So the Ikigai Life Coach program is a 3-month long program, and where we meet every week. Small cohorts. We meet at mutually convenient times as a group for a couple of hours. Also importantly is peer-to-peer coaching, where you'll coach amongst yourselves, and that enhances the learning quite a bit. And third is introspection, related to various questions that would be asked during the week, and that enhances the learning even more further. Apart from that, you also get access to the Magical Ikigai course, and which this can be done at your time, at your place, at your disposal. Keep going through the course slowly but surely, and this kind of structures the entire course in a short span of 90 to 110 days. All of us can become Ikigai life coaches.
A framework to get your personal ikigai. And there are 4 questions around it. What is it that you love doing? What are you good? So this is one of the frameworks. We'll discuss some other frameworks, next week also. What are you good at? What does the world need? And what can we be paid for? This is a very traditional ikigai model, and there are various versions around it. But if you look at it, you've almost covered all the 4 of these. I'll tell you how you've covered it. So the first one is, what do you truly, truly love to do? And these are things that you gotten right from your inspiration and your passions, which you did, a couple of weeks ago on the first step of what is it that truly, truly inspires me and what do I truly love to do. And you can list down the top 20 things that you truly, love to do without prejudging. Could be hobbies, seemingly, useless activities, etc. But you can keep looking at various things that you, love to do. The second one directly comes from your strength. I think last week we spent a lot of time on strength, and that's, what am I really good at? And out of those activities, so out of the activities that you truly love, using your strength, strength finder, hi-fi test, whatever you have done, Johari window, etc., you will get a sense of what is it that you're truly, truly good at, and you will come to some answers out of those activities, which is activities that I can focus on. The third one, what does the world need? This is very interesting. This actually answer comes in from the second bucket of what disturbs me, which is why we put that in the quadrant. So things, people, and events that disturb me. The second bucket, if you look at it well, there would be some of the activities which you would really, really feel committed to. Let me explain to you. So, what do you feel they can serve and heal the world around you, or what are deep concerns for the world and the people betterment, which is the environment around you? Final wing is, what can you be paid for, or which part of the world will see a value in me, or where can it serve and be recognized? And that leads us on. So, again, here you can experiment, and try to see ways and means in which you connect to the right geography or the right market, which will pay you for it. And the payment rewards need not be in terms of money. It can also be in terms of recognition, value, fame and power, Maslow needs, gratitude, knowledge. So it's pretty vast. The word payment can be, way beyond money.